Hello guys, I hope you're doing okay, and today I'm back with another tutorial on how to buy or swap the MATIC token. So first of all, you're just gonna need a digital wallets. In this video I'm using the MetaMask wallets. So if you don't have one, it's simple to create one. You'll find down below on our channel how to create a MetaMask account. So let's say for example you already have your MetaMask account. All you need to do is just come here to the CoinMarketCap website, then go here to the search button. All you're gonna do here is just type in MATIC. After that you go here, you press here as MATIC, then hover this more, click at more, then copy the Binance Smart Chain Network address. If you copy this, it will copy the address of Polygon of MATIC on Polygon on the Ethereum network, but you need to copy this one, the BNB Smart Chain. After you copy that, you'll just go to the Pancakeswap website. Then you're gonna go here, hover the trade section, then press swap. Then all you have to do is just connect your wallet to the website. How can you do that? By simply clicking at connect wallet, then press MetaMask. Because I already connected my wallet here, they will just ask you, if it's your first time, they will just ask you to press next, then connect. Nothing is gonna be unusual. So after you connect your wallet, you'll just come here and click at cake, then paste the address of the MATIC token, then press import. I understand, then import. So that's it. So let's say you have one BNB in your wallet, you'll just type it down here and they will show you how much MATIC you will get. All you need to do then is just press and swap, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you like the video, please leave a like down below, and do not forget to comment and subscribe.